Damn little that, now like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you talk like that? Why you all like that? I'm off at Eddie, I'm up. I don't got no time to relax, time to relax. I turn a 2 to a 4, and I turn a 5 to a stack, 5 to a stack. I was just down in the bottom, talking them back in the bed. I cut this out the mud, but they don't wanna talk about that. Keep it a stack. Know that we Xing you out if you be moving too fast, and that's a fact. Keep talking about looking for me, but the cap and they know where I'm at. If I ain't on Norris, then I'm on a V. 11th word to be exact. If I ain't on Norris, then I'm on a V. 11th word to be exact. All the odds for real, yeah, I'm dissing you. I drop a bag on your head just to get rid of you. Ain't dugging no action, you gon' get rid of who? Me and Tay slide on it, and we got missiles too. I'm off at Eddie, I'm up. I don't got no time to relax, time to relax. I turn a 2 to a 4, and I turn a 5 to a stack, 5 to a stack. I was just down in the bottom, talking them back in the back. I got this out the mud, but they don't wanna talk about that. I got this out the dirt, but they don't wanna talk about this. Was sending them threats, none of y'all resting in them I made, but they just won't admit it. I'm grateful. Even if I do die, gon' slide, you gon' get hit. I took a sip of that lean, that had me tripping, but I wasn't dipping. Tears rolling down my face, cause I seen all my shit was different. I named CC, she try to say I ain't, already don't listen. It was trash for real, sometimes I wish I never did hit it. I'm off at Eddie, I'm up, I don't got no time to relax, time to relax. I turn a 2 to a 4, and I turn a 5 to a stack, 5 to a stack. I was just down in the bottom, talking them back in the back. I cut this out the mud, but they don't wanna talk about that. I'm off at Eddie, I'm up. I don't got no time to relax, time to relax. I turn a 2 to a 4, and I turn a 5 to a stack, 5 to a stack. I was just down in the bottom, talking them back in the back. I cut this out the mud, but they don't wanna talk about that.
Nylah, happy 10th birthday. Pretty soon you'll be driving. I'll save the Escalade for you. Roll the whip. And little Anthony, happy 4th birthday. It's time to start getting ready to be the point guard of the future. Both of you, gang. Uncle TJ loves you.
Birthday, Anthony, my stinker. Nana loves you. And you have a great day. Bye.
Hey Nylah, happy birthday. Auntie Drea love you so much. I hope you enjoy your birthday and may God continue to bless your beautiful soul. Tell Nylah happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nye. It's about you. My dog, it's about you. It's about you. Happy birthday. Sorry we couldn't be there, but next time we'll be there. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Bye, baby. Happy birthday, Anthony. Auntie Dre, I love you so much. I'm so proud of you. You're so smart. You're so handsome. You deserve anything and everything your heart desire. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, JoJo. You know you the bomb diggity. Happy birthday, JoJo. Auntie Tan love you. I really do.
You're my favorite cousin. Happy birthday.
Hey. Bye, JoJo. Bye, Nylah. Mwah. We love you.
Non-happy birthday. Goodbye. Happy birthday, Nylah.
Happy birthday, Nylah and Anthony. I love you both.
Yo, Anthony.
Yo, Nylah.
Yo, happy birthday from
Happy
your boys.
birthday to ya.
Ooh.
Happy birthday
Ooh.
to ya.
Enjoy your birthday, Nylah and Anthony.
Make sure y'all have fun. Make sure y'all do the Corvette. Hop in the mother. Yo, happy birthday. Love. You already know. Go, shorty. It's your birthday.
My bad, I didn't know it was recording yet. But hey guys, happy birthday to my baby Nylah and Anthony. I know you guys probably can't do what you want to do because it's COVID, but your mom is the best sometimes. And I know she'll make the best of it. I know you guys don't see me a lot, and you're probably like, yo, who's this big head girl on camera? But I live in New York, so that's why you don't see me much. But I still love you guys, so happy birthday and party.
Happy birthday, JoJo. Auntie trying to love you so much. And I hope you enjoy your special day. And hopefully one day you stop beating me up every time you see me. I love you.
Hey, Nylah. It's Bailey. I hope you have a great birthday and many more.
Happy birthday, Nylah and Anthony.
Good. I get a birthday to you.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Aria, say happy birthday, Nylah.
Birthday.
Look at me. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Go ahead.
Happy birthday to you.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Gamer versus Gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real Gamer vs. Gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer vs. Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.